We can see your screen. You can start right now.
Yeah, yeah, thank you so much. So as said, I'm 𝗛𝗲𝗍𝗆, and more members of my team are Noah, 𝗛𝗲𝗆, and Daniel, who are not present right now. And the idea we are having is support for cross-game NFTs, and specifically for this project, we named it Interplay, but it can be named anything. So the problem we are solving is that players right now currently don't really own their in-game assets. And what we are trying to come up with is having a way where these in-game assets can be owned and can be interoperable in different games. So this comes with a lot of issues we have seen, like in different games where after they close up, players end up losing a couple of assets, coins which they paid with their actual money. And what this project tends to fix is that actual problem for asset locking, such that it can really give real value to money and time spent by players when playing games. So in that, this ecosystem revolves around the major topic of cross-game NFTs, where each NFTs can be recognized by other games, and the ownership really lies into the user's wallet and not the publisher's servers. And to do this, we look at how we are going to define the NFT metadata standards. And as we are going to see in later, how we are going to define different data for the tokens, the game origin, the category, and stuff. So we also have to have the actual assets like images and maybe on the other storage assets stored on a decentralized storage, like as we have for the IPFS. And we shall also have to handle a way of locking and unlocking for, like, let's say there's a tournament and such that players cannot like get assets before they actually win the tournament. So, and the more vision is that these tokens should be able to be bridged across different blockchains. Shouldn't be really fixed on one blockchain, since it is across game NFT. It has to be like able to facilitate users with different blockchain preferences, and it should be the idea should like introduce a secure way to transfer these tokens, and a verifiable way to prevent fraudulent tokens, and a way that each game should understand that each game should understand which NFTs exist and are verifiable and are canonical NFTs that can be used for that for in-game assets. So to demo this idea, first of all, I used the Hedera-Powered token service and created a few one smart contract to, though I didn't use it that much, I only used it to create tokens. But the major demo here was to show how we can change the metadata for the NFTs and to make it like being able to be used in different games. And in that, I created two games, the Dino and the 𝗚𝗚𝗍𝗆𝗍𝗆, where users can get different tokens that are theme-based, that are going to be used for theming. And in this, I based on the origin, I added like a few improvements onto the metadata than the standard one. and added the origin of the game, and which actually shows the origin, where the NFTs is from, and what type is it? Is it a weapon? Is it a skin? Is it a theme? And this is read by the two games to see if that actual NFT is compatible with its ecosystem.
Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Jesse. But your time's up. We will now move to the Q&A.
Yeah, sure.